Hey YouTube, or the people of YouTube. I am wanting to just hop on here and do a really quick video. My name is Asha Chantel. Hi. I have been dyeing my eyebrows with this Just for Men DIY thing for the last few months, and I absolutely love it. So what I have been doing, Just for Men, hopefully you can see this here, okay? What color do I use? I'm using the dark brown color on my eyebrows, and it has actually been working really good. So I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial. I'll probably focus really close to my eyebrows. I just want to show you the things that I do use. I kind of mixed and mashed a couple of things in here, but it comes with this, which is just like a color base, and then it comes with this natural color developer. It also comes with this and a mixing bowl, and mind you, it's not for your eyebrows, it's for beards, or yeah, beards, I guess. So you know, this is way too big, so just throw it this way, throw the whole thing away. What I use is this, which I think I got this from Elf. It's super cheap, really, you know, it's just one of those eyeliner things. I don't do makeup. Clearly I'm no beauty blogger because I don't know what this is called, but it's for eyeliner, wet eyeliner, but it's an angled brush. So I use this because you can do little hair strokes with this a little bit easier, and it's, you know, super cheap, and since you're going to be using it for hair dye, get the cheap one. Also, I just have this little jar here, and I just got to mix my dye in this jar. This is all you need to dye your eyebrows, and it takes about 10 minutes. I usually keep mine on for 20 because I really do want them to be darker. They're not super dark, so I want it to show that I did my eyebrows, look like I put some makeup on, because I don't. I rarely put makeup on, so I want it to look like I did. Anywho, I'll stop chit-chatting. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so the first thing that I'm actually going to do right now is shift mixing bowl, and I am opening the two products, the developer and the color, and I'm literally taking just like a pea-sized amount and putting it in there, maybe a little bit more than a pea-sized amount, and I'm mixing them together. Typically, you want to use like the back side of a different brush. You don't want to use the same side of the brush that you're going to put on your eyebrows to mix it, just in case one of them gets, you know, too much of a developer or too much color on it. So right here, I am using the angled brush, and it is turning like a darker brown color now, so you don't want to let it sit for too long, but I'm going to go ahead and make some hair-like stroke on my eyebrows. So this part is actually pretty easy. You're literally just doing hair-like strokes, and that is my favorite part of this angled brush. Got a little bit closer so you guys can see. Sorry about the angle. And at some point in this video, I remembered that I was supposed to put some sort of like Vaseline, or a lot of people, they'll just go ahead and use, sometimes I will actually go ahead and use some concealer around your eyebrows. That way you don't accidentally dye your skin. And I realized I didn't do it. I usually never do it, but for the tutorial, I probably would have mentioned that. Sorry about that. You might want to do it if you're afraid of it. There I am. That's why I forgot. All right, so now I am actually just taking some makeup wipes, wiping it off because I'm done. And as you can see, it got really dark towards the end. It looks a little scary. I think that was Garnier, maybe? Garnier? Yeah, that is Garnier. There we go. So those are just the charcoal makeup wipes. I am just wiping it off. It looks totally different in my opinion, just because it's a lot darker. Of course, I like it darker. It looks really good. And I am pretty much happy with my result. I did realize that I messed up just a little bit on the top there. Probably should have put that concealer on before I did my eyebrows, but I know I can just fix it with concealer when I'm putting on a little bit of makeup later, if I do. Or I might just rock it because I did it and I'm proud of it. Anywho, all in all, that took about 10 minutes. Or actually 20 for me because I did leave it on, but it will take you about 10 minutes. That's the final products. Bye, YouTube. Hit subscribe, like. Bye-bye.